y'all, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. It's still the fall and winter time. And y'all, what's better than a big old plate, a bowl of red beans and rice? But I know y'all don't want to be at the stove all day, all night, all morning, especially Sunday morning, probably when this video come out. That's what the Instant Pot. Y'all know I love my Instant Pot, especially when it comes to red beans, y'all, or any kind of bean. Put it in the Instant Pot about 60 to 90 minutes, and you got your perfect bowl of red beans and the rice. Of course, I got the rice cooked separately, but let me tell y'all what I have here. I got some. I ain't gonna use sausage in there. I got some beautiful. Look at these smoked ham shanks, y'all. That's ham shanks, smoked ham shanks. Beautiful ham shanks. That's the meat we're gonna use today in these bad boys. I got some red beans back here. I got some chopped onions, chopped bell peppers. We're gonna throw a little garlic in there, a little ham base, pork base. We're gonna put it all, a little vinegar, salt, and pepper. We're gonna put it all in the Instant Pot, set about 90 minutes, and let it go, let it slow release. Voila, we got some good old red beans and rice. Hold on, y'all, just a second. All right, y'all, we are back. Okay, y'all, let's get started. All right, y'all, we're going to throw the meat in there. Drop my onions in the sink, y'all. We're going to throw that ham shanks in there. Throw the beans in there, y'all. Bell peppers in there. We're throwing everything in here together, y'all. This is how easy this is, y'all. So simple, so easy. Y'all can go to the nail shop, go to the beauty shop, go wash your clothes, do whatever. I'm gonna put a little white vinegar in here, y'all. I always do that anytime I use some kind of pork. I always put a little white vinegar. Put a little garlic in here. I got a little, hold on, y'all. Rinse this out, and we're going to use it to pour water in there. All right, we got a little ham base here, pork base. Ham base, pork base, however you say it. I put that in there, it adds a little extra flavor. I'm gonna pour some water in here, y'all. You don't need a lot. You don't need a lot of water in there, just enough to cover it up. I like kind of stir it around there, make sure that water get all mixed up in there. Let me get my spoon. Get the right spoon for the job, Chef Jeffrey. I'll mix that up in there. Get some beans all mixed up in there. Make sure that meat gets mixed down in there. Now we're going to put a little salt and pepper in here as well. A little bit more water, not much, because y'all know the water does not escape in this thing. That's a good thing about Instant Pot. Okay, I'm gonna mix that up still in there. Make sure all them beans get mixed up in there with it. All right, now we're gonna take it, put the lid on here. Make sure it's sealed. Put it on pressure cook. And go all the way to 90 minutes. Go all the way to 90 minutes here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. It's an hour and 30 minutes. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, y'all. Come on, Chef Jeffrey. Get your countdown right. That's an hour and a half. Start 90 minutes, y'all. And we'll be back in 90 minutes. I'm gonna let it slow release. And we'll be back. We're gonna have a big old pot of tender fall off the bone ham shanks with some tender red beans. I'm gonna make me a little cornbread muffins to go along with it. Can't get no better than that, right? So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. It's been an hour and a half, y'all. I let it slow release about 20 minutes, and I release the rest of the steam myself. So we're gonna open this bad boy up. Oh my God, y'all, you can see this thing is still bubbling. Look at this, y'all. Oh my God, look at all that juice in there. The beans are perfectly cooked. That meat just done come off the bone of that meat there, y'all. Look at that. See them ham shanks? The meat just done fell off the bone here. Let me get me a spoon here and show y'all. So the beans are perfectly cooked. See that? See how they just mash up right there? You see how that meat on that just coming off the bone right there, y'all. So y'all know how I do it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this out of here. If I can separate them bones, I'm definitely gonna do that. And I'm gonna put it in I like to pour it in another pot. You see when them bones come out, I just take them bones on out of there. Throw them away. And while I just got the meat in there. And with the ham shank, see how the bone just come right out of there? Look at that. So that's what I'm gonna do, y'all. I'm gonna get these bones out of here. Then I'm gonna pour this into a regular pot. Take it out of this pot right here. We're gonna come back. I got me some old school cornbread muffins here. And we're gonna come back. I got me some rice there. And y'all, it is on. It is on. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. All right, y'all. I got me some hot sauce here, y'all. You know I gotta have my Louisiana hot sauce. Look at this right here, y'all. Big old bowl of goodness. Got them ham shanks in there, the rice. Got me a couple of cornbread muffins. I'm gonna show y'all a little trick of these muffins one day. How you take a little Jiffy mix, put an egg in it as it's called for. Instead of adding milk, you add a little of this in it. Instead of adding milk, add cream style corn instead of the milk. Game changer, y'all. I'll do a video on that. I think I have or not. It just changed the whole concept of your cornbread muffin, y'all. So anyway, let's put a little hot sauce on here. Now let's shake this up here. Shake it up here. Oh yeah. I just opened this one up. All right. Put a little hot sauce on there. All righty. All right. Got that nice little ham shanks. Got the bean, little rice there. Got more meat than, there we go, that's a good bite. Put a little bit more juice on there. That's a perfect bite right there, y'all. Perfect bite right there. Look at that, going in. Nice comfort meal right there. A little cornbread here. Put in there. Hey. A little cornbread on there. There it is, going in. That's a comfort meal for the fall right there, ain't it? Yo, yeah. That's fall comfort meal. Oh, let me get a fork here, y'all. I'm in my element. Look at that. That little outside of that smoked ham shank. Use my fingers. This is my food. My food, my fingers. Going in. Oh, wow. The smoking this just gives it, takes it to the next level. Next level, y'all. Now, anyway, I just want to share y'all. Hold on, y'all. You know what's missing? Really know what's missing on this thing is my chow chow. This was missing. I knew something was missing. Gotta have my chow chow in here. I didn't put my chow chow in there, y'all. You know I gotta have my old school chow chow. That's what was missing on my beans. Obviously, y'all know when the video go off, it's about to be on. We're popping in here. So let me go and close this video out, y'all. So I can get to eating here. Let me close this out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow me on the social media account, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, TV, Pinterest, TikTok, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2025. It's great to be alive, but it's even better to be living. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Y'all have a happy, blessed weekend. Love y'all.